Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy and use an Amazon gift card step by step. You can buy Amazon gift cards both online and in store. If you're buying online, go to amazon.com, search for gift card, and choose from e-gift cards or physical gift cards. You can select the amount, add a message, and send it by email or have it delivered to your home. If you prefer buying in store, visit your nearest grocery store, convenience store, or electronics shop. Most major retailers sell Amazon gift cards. Now, let's talk about how to use your gift card. If you're using the Amazon app, open it and sign into your account. Tap the menu icon, select Account, and under Payments, tap Manage Gift Card Balance. Then tap Redeem Gift Card and enter the code manually or use your phone's camera to scan it. If you're on the Amazon website, go to amazon.com, sign in, and click on Account and Lists. Then select Gift Cards and click Redeem a Gift Card. Enter your gift card code and click Apply to your balance. You can also redeem your card at checkout. Simply find the Add a Gift Card or Promotion Code option. Enter your code and click Apply before completing your order. A few important things to remember. You can check your gift card balance anytime under Manage Gift Card Balance in your account. Also, e-gift cards usually expire 12 months from the delivery date, but this may vary depending on your region or card type. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to buy and use an Amazon gift card. It's fast, simple, and a great way to shop or send gifts online. Thanks for watching.